got a box. A very big box. I don't even know how we're gonna do this. Pause. Hello, my nerdlings. If you're new here, my name is Nikki. Welcome to my channel where we get nerdy. And today we have a box. A very big box. I was not expecting a box this big, okay? I have this amazing friend in New York that every few months me and her do each other up a book box of sorts. This month we did an advent for each other. I did like 12 books for her, a book for her children. I put in some craft stuff and some other goodies for her kids. I have no clue what's in this flippin' box. All I know is it's fucking heavy. It is 23 pounds. So I'm kind of nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even have I don't have anything to cut this tape. I should have thought about that. Sugar. And I look a hot mess right now, because it is Christmas Eve. It is December 23rd. This is like the first day I've been able to slow down since the beginning of December. I had the flu for the first week of December, and then I had teaching and like school stuff. And then on the weekends we had like family Christmases, and then another week of teaching and school stuff and family Christmases on the weekends. So today is my first day where I've been allowed to just stay in jammies and throw my hair up in a messy bun and not have to think and be a human. But this came and I want to record me opening it, but I look like a hot mess, so don't judge me, okay? Oh, she taped this up good. Holy Hannah, my goodness. You're gonna hear me struggle. I'm sorry. Yeah, you can laugh at me all you want. It's fine. I won't be offended. Okay, there's that. Alright, we have one flap open. And then, of course, like, I'm doing this in my reading chair in front of my bookshelf to, like, you know, get the whole vibe of my bookshelves. And the Christmas tree's right here and the presents. So, like, I don't have much space. Not a lot of room, and I'm sorry, and my hair's a mess, and just ignore it, okay, guys? I can't get it open. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. She wrapped them and everything. Oh, hold on. We got some filler papers. Are they numbered? Okay, number 13. Okay. They got numbers. Hold on. 14. So she definitely did more than 12 for me. 15. Greek retelling. You will love. This feels like 2 books in number 15. Girl. Oh, she did send some books to my kids. So the one and only family. This is honestly perfect because Nikolai loves this series. So this is great for that. Number 12, number 10, number 5, number 6. Hold on. Number 1. Okay. Number 1. Favorite Bachelor-like series. Perfect for this season. Okay. This was supposed to be an advent, but I'm going to open this as I want to open it. Like, when I sent her box, she opened all of them in one sitting. So now, I'm just going to open mine in one sitting. Girl, this is 2 books, not 1. Frost by C.N. Crawford and Ambrosia. So books 1 and 2 of a series. I don't know how big this series is. I know, Leon, it's presents. Do you want to help? Oh, hold on. Hold on. Mama's gonna set those ones down. So that was number 1. Here's number 2. Open this one. Let's read it. 2 families at war. one accidental fire brings them together. Okay, open it. Can you open it? No, no, don't run away with it. Come here. See, told you, PJ Day. Right here. Right there. Oh no. It's Sophie Lark. Book? Yeah. Brutal Prince by Sophie Lark. Oh my goodness. Do I have this one? I do have this one, but that's okay. We can have 2 copies. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, here's number 2. That's number 10, number 11. Here. The hippopotamus, the hiccup-opotamus, and wonderful things. What does it say? Hold on, let me read it. Wonderful things you will be. Do you want to take these and go play? Okay, here. Here you go. All right, we're looking for number 3. Number 6, number 5, number 12, number 3. First book in a dark romance where she collects buttons. 365 to receive freedom. I think that's what that says. Okay. Buttons and lace. Okay, so we were right. Buttons was the right answer. Her debt, his desire. Buttons and lace. Penelope Sky. This looks dirty. Oh, it is. Yeah, that's dirty. My goodness, I opened to a page and I read just 2 words and whew, that's dirty. All right, number 4. A new book of found family with a fortune teller. The Teller of Small Fortunes by Julie Leong. This is a Book of the Month book, November 2024. I like it. I love that color, that cover. So me and my friend, like, we're honestly a perfect pair because we both really love Asian-based stories, like myths and everything. So we just work perfectly together. Was that number 4? Right. Yeah. Number 5. An adventure to find a lost sister in a vampire-infested university. Okay, so girl knows me. Like, she's a team Jacob girly, so I like send her a bunch of werewolf stuff. I am not a team Edward girly, but I am a team Julian girly. So my package arrived. Let's see, Immortal Dark by Tigist Grima? Maybe. Oh, hold on. There's tape. There's tape on it. Hold on. I can't get the... I'll get the tape later. No soul can enter without an invitation. Look at those edges. Ooh. Let's see. A lost heiress, a soulless vampire, a secret drenched in blood. Ooh. Debut author brings to life a world of vampires that is dangerously romantic, ruthlessly cutthroat, and effortlessly compelling. Yes. Oh, yes. Who is she's a person of color? So we have an author of color. Okay, I'll deal with it later. So that was number 5. Right there. There's your other book. Right there. Number 6. A suspenseful romance with an abusive ex, an English class, and a crime organization. It's quite the description. A suspenseful romance, Broken Like You by Luna Pierce, Sinners and Angels Universe. Claire and Johnny. No, no, no. No, thank you. That's mine. 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 Go find Dad. Show Daddy what you got. No, thank you, sir.
Get out of it.
No. No, that's mine.
Go show me what you got.
Broken Like You.
Show me what you got.
Oh, I love this color. This cover.
What'd you get? Oh, go show me what you got.
Okay.
Go find
That
your
was number
stuff.
6. Number 7. Favorite best book of mine of 2024.
Where'd you go?
Visceral fever dream you'll be in. Fast-paced read. The Grace Year by Kim Liggett. Survive Together or Die Alone. A speculative YA thriller in the vein of Hunger Games and The Power. Okay. That sounds good. Number 8. Single dad and a tulip farm with some conditions to keep the farm. What is a girl to do? She's the one who got away. She just doesn't know it. In a Jam by Kate Canterbury. One jilted bride who didn't see this coming. One single dad who didn't sign up for this. 1 year to get married or lose the family farm. Oh no. Sift with a pinch of precocious niece who aspires to be a pirate. 12 untrustworthy hens and a heap of fruity earrings. Oh, that sounds cute. Okay. Number 9. Book 1 of my favorite romanticities of the year. Enjoy. Show Daddy! This was on my wish list. Bonded by Thorns by Elizabeth Helen. 4 beastly princes, 1 awkward bookworm, and an enchanted world of fae, magic, and danger. It is a Beauty and the Beast retelling, but reverse harem. Stop! Leave my books alone! No. Number 10. Dark supernatural book about a TV show and the cast coming together again. What could go wrong? Child. They're mine. It's a big mess down here. Mr. Magic by Kirsten White. I love the color of this cover. Who is Mr. Magic? Former child stars reunite to uncover the tragedy that ended their show and discover the secret of its enigmatic host in this dark, supernatural thriller. Okay. Number 11, a physiotherapist and a football player. I'm winning my fantasy football league right now at work. 1 more week and I take first place and I'll win the season. Oh, come on. by J.C. Hall. I have one of her books. I haven't read it yet. I have Hawk, Leon. No, thank you. No.
Go to your room and play. Go watch your cartoon.
Number 12, first book in an intercollected standalone romantasy. Wheel of the something of the wheel, a prince and a princess, light versus dark. Oh my gosh, this was on my wish list too. Reign and Ruin by J.D. Evans. Mages of the Wheel, book 1. All magic is beautiful, she said, and terrible. Do you not see the beauty in yours or the terror in mine? Can you stop a heart? And I can stop your breath. Oh, that sounds cool. Okay. And then this is number 13. Two rival assassins against each other fall in love. The City of Phantom, The Dagger and the Flame. In a deadly game of revenge, the most dangerous mistake of all is falling in love. There's tape. Hold on. Look at that. In the dark underbelly of a beautiful city, two rival gang members are pitted against each other in a deadly game of duty and revenge, in which most dangerous mistake of falling in love. That sounds so good. Okay. Number 14. Horrible Rapping Sorry. Historical fiction that was action-packed. The Scent of Death by Andrew Taylor. In this story of a woman in a city, I saw the city first shimmering from afar, like the New Jerusalem in the setting sun. It was Sunday, 2nd August, 1778. Okay. Interesting. And then, number 15, Greek mythology retelling you'll love. Daughter of Sparta and Blood of Troy, book 1 and 2 by Claire M. Andrews. I have Daughter of Sparta in hardcover. I haven't read it yet. I bought it forever ago. Sparta forged her into a deadly weapon. Now the gods need her to save the world. 17-year-old Daphne has spent her entire life honing her body and mind into a warrior, hoping to be accepted by the unyielding people of ancient Sparta. But an unexpected encounter with the goddess Artemis, who holds Daphne's brother's fate in her hands, upends the life she worked so hard to build. 9 mysterious items have been stolen from Mount Olympus, and Daphne cannot find them. And if Daphne cannot find them, the gods' waning powers will fade away, the mortal world will descend into chaos, and her brother's life will forfeit. That sounds really good. So book 1 and book 2. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting over 15 books from this woman. Girl, you doing too much. But I absolutely love you. Like the video if you did, comment down below. what are some books you are hoping to be getting this year for Christmas. And hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. Until next time, you are loved and you are valid.